Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is 17th September 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content does not reflect our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. In Brazil, a judge has ordered the seizure of millions from Elon Musk's companies, Starlink and X, formerly known as Twitter. This action comes after Musk's refusal to comply with a court order to suspend accounts accused of spreading disinformation. The Brazilian Supreme Court, led by Judge Alexandre de Moraes, treated Starlink and X as a single entity due to Musk's control over both. The funds were transferred to the Brazilian government after the accounts were unfrozen. This situation underscores the ongoing tensions between Musk's enterprises and Brazilian authorities, particularly concerning issues of free speech and compliance with local laws. Elon Musk recently stirred controversy with a now-deleted post on X, questioning why no one has attempted to assassinate President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. This comment, following reports of an assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump, has raised concerns about Musk's influence and potential to incite violence. Although Musk later claimed the post was a joke, critics argue that such rhetoric is irresponsible, especially given his significant government contracts and access to sensitive information. The US Secret Service and FBI may investigate, but legal repercussions seem unlikely. This incident highlights ongoing worries about Musk's influence on political discourse and national security. Financial troubles at X, formerly Twitter, may force Elon Musk to sell billions in Tesla stock. The social media platform has seen a dramatic drop in advertising revenue, with a 25% decline over the last quarter and a 53% drop compared to the previous year. Analysts estimate Musk might need to sell between $1 billion and $2 billion in Tesla shares, potentially impacting Tesla's stock value. This financial strain stems from Musk's contentious relationship with advertisers, leading to a boycott and a lawsuit. Despite previous assurances not to sell Tesla shares until 2025, the dire situation at X may compel Musk to reconsider. Chinese scientists claim they can detect stealth aircraft using SpaceX's Starlink satellite network. In an experiment, a drone mimicking a stealth fighter was detected by radar thanks to electromagnetic radiation from a Starlink satellite. This research, led by Professor Yi Jianxin from Wuhan University, suggests that Starlink signals could enhance radar detection against stealth targets. If validated, this technology could provide China with a military advantage, potentially undermining US stealth capabilities. However, skepticism remains about the practical application of these findings, as previous claims by China about detecting stealth aircraft have often been met with doubt. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of Elon Musk and his ventures informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us next time for more updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.